So, after I couldn't find any good video that shows how to take out the inner plug for the Africa Twin, this one here is 2018, I thought maybe I should do a video. So after you're removing the radiator, I also disconnected the hose. I don't know if it's really necessary, but here inside, that's where the second plug wire is. You see this one here, and of course it's a pain to get it out. The biggest problem is that when you're trying to lift this very long this very long tube up over here, there isn't really any room for it. You see? Okay, so the way I solved it is by trying to get it to this slot over here. So while lifting this rubber hose up, yes, with your hands, I couldn't find any easier way to do it without creating a damage. You lift it up and then you pull it toward you and try to get it through this hole. Now, because I'm taking this video, it will be very hard for me to do it with only one hand, but let me try and see if I can do that. So I'm lifting it up, and then you see, now you need to get it with your finger towards you, and that will free up, see, that should free it enough so you can lift it out. Oops, sorry. There you go. And it's out. So that's how I solved it. Now, another thing that I found a bit challenging is how do you get the plug wire out. So there is this tool that comes in the motorcycle toolbox. It's thin enough so it can fit, sorry, this very narrow inlet, and when you're pulling it out, there is like this rubber inside of it. I don't know, yeah, now you can see there is this rubber that holds to the spark plug when you're pulling it out. And then you're going to have the same issue with how do I take it out. So same as what I did with the connector. When pulling it out, I just pulled it and directed it through here. And this is actually how I took the plug out. I just pulled it from here, and also this is how I got the new plug in. I don't know what were they thinking, those engineers, Honda engineers, when doing that. It's awful. You can see all the bruises in my hand, but I got it out.